Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your YouTube channel in the Chrome browser. So let's jump right in. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. This is where you'll type in the URL to access YouTube Studio directly. In the address bar, type studio.youtube.com and press enter. This URL takes you straight to YouTube Studio, which is the dedicated hub for managing your channel, videos, and analytics. It's the command center where all your content creation and channel management happens. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This is necessary because your YouTube channel is connected to your Google credentials. In the email field that appears, type in the email address associated with your YouTube channel. After entering your email, click the next button to proceed to the next step of the authentication process. Now you'll see a password field appear on your screen. This is where you'll enter your account password to verify your identity and gain access to your channel. Type in your password carefully, making sure it's entered correctly. Once you've entered it, click the next button again to continue. After clicking next, Google will verify your credentials and begin loading your YouTube Studio dashboard. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection, so just give it a few seconds to process and authenticate your login. Once the login is complete, you'll be taken directly to your YouTube Studio interface. Here you can see your channel overview, recent video performance, comments, and all the tools you need to manage your content. This is where you'll spend most of your time as a creator, monitoring analytics and uploading new videos. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into your YouTube channel through the Chrome browser and ready to manage your content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.